guys, Roche here. Welcome to Beauty Mix channel. In today's video, what I'm going to talk about is this product from BYS. This is a daily brush cleaner. When I get into the country, my very first item that I was really looking was alcohol. 90% and above alcohol. 99% is better, but sad to say, I can't find the 99% in a physical store except online, Lazada and Shopee. Okay, I haven't purchased it yet. I am still debating, but I decided now, after all these thoughts, I could just dive in and get a brush cleaner. Okay, a brush cleaner really here is very expensive. Okay, let me get the receipt. So I bought it in Watson's, okay, and the price that I paid for it is $4.99. The product contains only 75 ml. So if you are going to convert it to a US, let's just say $9 something. Okay, so for this type of bottle, I think in the US, if it's a Sephora brand, I believe you can get it for, I think, $18. Okay, I'm not so sure right now with price inflation. Don't quote me on that. I haven't checked Sephora and I haven't bought anything. It's been a while that I have not been buying any foreign products. Okay, foreign though. Yes, because I am living here now in the Philippines, so I have to stick to what physical products are available. Let's go dive in and see what this product is. So when I bought it in the store, my goal was if it's a brush cleaner, and most of the time when I look at different Watsons, all those sales lady, they would recommend those brush cleaner but a liquid form where you have to wash your brush on the sink. Tama ba, Jay? On, in. What does it do to me? Okay, so if I'm planning to have a client, or if I switch client to client, then I need to have a brush cleaner which is dry and quick. I was just looking at the BYS section and I saw this. Oh, cool packaging. It's like the Sephora packaging that I saw before. So I cannot read actually. There is a plastic cup, but when I opened earlier, it was a bit oily in the outside of it, but now it's dry. Okay, maybe it's just the moisture from the nozzle here. Okay, and it might have, I don't know, they might have a spill on it and it went to this section right here, but this bottle is sealed with plastic, so it's good that way. So you can really make sure that it is sanitized and not everyone is using it. Okay, so it's fully sealed, which is good, very good. Okay, and let's do the smell test. Okay, the smell, it's alcohol, little bit of alcohol smell, which I am okay with it. Okay, anyway, my purpose was even in the beginning to buy a 99% alcohol. Okay, those alcohol that you use for electronics when you do motherpiece board, cleaning all those components on the motherboard or the computer parts. That's it, guys. That's what I've been looking for. It's not just only alcohol. Be specific, isopropyl alcohol. In the States, you can find it easily and it's only costs you like $1.99 for this much big bottle. Okay, and if you want to buy more, you could have probably $5.99, which is like what, 300 pesos here, and a brush cleaner like this, $4.99. Tiny. Ang mahal-mahal dito. Performance. Okay, let's talk about it. It is transparent, no color. The smell is good, good for me. Now for the product demo. I'll show you in this video clip right here that for a blending brush, I spray twice, just swirl my brushes on the paper towel, easy to do, and also it's quick to dry. I wanted to use my eyeglasses, guys, because I can see and I wanted to see what the product. Let's bring the eyeglasses. Hindi ko nadala ang aking lens, okay? Pasensya. Magmatanda muna tayo, okay? Alright, glasses on. And as clear as day. Let's read what's the inscription on the outside of the bottle. It says here, the Daily Brush Cleaner is a quick and easy way to keep your makeup brushes hygienically clean. Perfect. The quick-to-dry formula conditions and purifies between washes, removing any makeup, dirt, and oil residue. Suitable for use on both natural and synthetic hair brushes, and will also lengthen the lifespan of your brushes. Isn't that great? I hope so. There's a directions over here I cannot read, so based on any makeup brushes that I do, 2 spritz, swirl on the paper towel. That's it. So this is made from designed and developed in Australia. Ha ha ha! Yes, Australia. Hi Eve. Hi, my friend Richie. And who else is in Australia? Hi guys, to all of you, and my other few vloggers there. Hello, hello. Back to the review. So far, cleaning wise, I am very happy with it. It can clean the way I want it to be, especially if I'm in hairy, except for if you use a very colorful eyeshadows. It's also very common with any other makeup brush liquid solution that I bought before, that I used before. There is really a hard time in cleaning your brushes. The only way to really clean it thoroughly is through washing it with soap and water. I think for me, for the price, weight, packaging is good, you know, it's very sleek. It has a plastic cup in here, it's good. Nozzle is good. It sprays thinly in there. So this is my review on the BYS Daily Brush Cleaner. This is a go for me. If you have any other products that you know that is similar to BYS but is more cheaper and it works the same way, napandol ang akong tutulong. Please comment down below. I'm sure I'm going to love it with your recommendation. Okay, so that's it for my video today. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's be friends. And that's it. Thank you for watching.